Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your DNS control panel and locating the domain zone. This is where you act. You must identify every CNAME that points to Gtranslate and note its exact name, target hostname, and TTL. Once found, export or copy the existing zone file as a backup so you can restore if needed. This backup is crucial because deleting a CNAME is irreversible at the DNS level until propagation completes. Now prepare to remove the entries. Now you remove the records using the DNS provider interface or their API. Select each Gtranslate CNAME and delete it. Do not edit other record types like A, or MX. That risks downtime. If your provider supports it, lower the TTL to a small value, like 60 to 300 seconds, before applying changes so the deletion propagates quickly. Once deleted, save and publish the zone. Make sure to clear any CDN or local DNS caches after you push the removal. Finally, confirm the CNAME are gone by querying authoritative name servers with dig or enslookup. Check for NX domain or absence of the CNAME. Test your site and any translation integrations to ensure nothing still points to Gtranslate. If you configured Gtranslate settings on a dashboard, remove those mappings too. If records still appear, flush your local DNS cache, check ISB caches, and escalate to your DNS host or registrar. Sometimes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.